A man who was arrested in connection with a robbery in St. Elizabeth is demanding an apology from the St. Elizabeth Police Department. The man says he's prepared to take legal action to secure redress, arguing that the incident has significantly smeared his character. Andrew Lately has that story.
A case of mistaken identity has left this man's life in shambles. He explains that he is now seen as a criminal in his community. He was publicly arrested for the robbery, which took place in Junction, St. Elizabeth on Wednesday. The police has since indicated that he is no longer a suspect in the incident. But for this man, the damage has already been done.
I started to feel afraid when I came out of the building, when I see the police, them and everybody with the police, them with the guns and everything. Identify yourself. So all I was in our face was gone. Even though they were asking us to identify ourselves, all was in my face was gone. So there wasn't an opportunity for me to declare who I am. So even though we were trying, they wasn't giving us any opportunity to declare who we were.
He's concerned about videos circulating of the arrest, which continue to smear his character. At the same time, he believes the police haven't done enough to set the record straight.
And as up this morning, someone sent me a picture on my phone. When I look at the picture, the person said, as I see the picture, I know it was you. You understand? So persons were like saying that, oh, he go get caught up in robbery and all of these things. And they don't come out to say, okay, we are sorry, but this was wrong, mistake identity or anything. They don't come out to say anything.
That's why he's prepared to take the matter to the courts.
They haven't given us an apology, and I'm going to be taking legal action, right? Because now my picture is been circulating about the place, about something that I haven't done, and all these things, and they haven't even come out to make a clear statement to say what happened.
In the meantime, head of the Constabulary Communications Unit, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, told TVJ News that she will be conducting checks to find out exactly what happened before commenting fully on the matter. Andrew Lately, TVJ News.